So, y is equals to ln cosine hyperbolic x. Ayan. So, ito, ano na lang to? Derivative na lang to ng, ln u. 1 over u times derivative ng u with respect to x. Okay, so, yung maglilit tayo, let u be equal to cosine hyperbolic x. Then, derivative ng u with respect to x is sine hyperbolic x. Okay, so, kung susundan natin to, derivative ng y with respect to x ng ln ln cosine hyperbolic x equals sa 1 over, ano yung u natin? Cosine hyperbolic x times derivative ng u natin with respect to x, which is sine hyperbolic x. dy over dx ng sine hyperbolic x over cosine hyperbolic x. Ay! Identity to ah. Identity yan ng tangent. Ayun yung sagot. Ganun lang. Di ba? Ganun lang siya kasimple na